Hello viewers, welcome to selastintech. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create this animated background for your PC. So to make this animated background, this small wallpaper engine software is used. This wallpaper engine software is available on Steam for 250 rupees. But in this video, we are going to see how to install this for free. So come on, let's hop into the video. So first, download this file by just clicking the link which I provided in the description. So now, right click this file and click on extract here. And now it will ask you for the password. So I provided the password in the description. Just copy that and paste it here. And then click on OK. So now open this folder and double click on installer.exe. So here it says that setting up wallpaper engine. So now automatically the wallpaper engine launched. So now it's asking for a setup. So let's start the setup. So here it asks for language. So let it be on default English and let's click on next. And here you can see quality, low, medium and high. You have three options. So let this be on medium, and after this setup we can change some settings. So we'll click on next, and here you can see start wallpaper engine with Windows. So I don't want that option. So here it says that adjust Windows color. So let it be disabled, and when I click on next, it says that everything is configured. So when I click on all done, it opens wallpaper engine, and here you can select which wallpaper you want. So I'm selecting this neon sunset, and now I'm just clicking on OK. And here you can see the background is a little laggy. So now we have to change some settings. So now here in the taskbar, click show hidden icons. And here you can see this wallpaper engine. Right click that and click on settings. And here you can see these settings. So change this FPS to 20 and change this anti-aliasing to none. And untick this post-processing and reflections so that your CPU usage will decrease a bit. And now click on general. And here this desktop icon opacity. So what this will do is, this will just make the desktop icons transparent. So when I'm lowering it, you can see that the desktop icons are fading. So don't decrease it a lot, because this will also increase your CPU usage. So I'm just keeping it in 85. So this is good. And here comes the theme. So here there are four options, which is white, dark, Halloween and winter. So I'm selecting Halloween. So here don't change any settings in media, and here you can see advanced options. So here it says that graphics API DirectX 11. If you are getting any errors, you can change this DirectX to 9. So what this will do is, it will reduce the colors a bit. So here you can see this orange has turned pink. And now I'm selecting DirectX 11 because this is good. And now when I click on OK, that's it. Wallpaper engine is installed on your PC. So you can also create a small shortcut on your desktop. For that, here you can see this wallpaper64.exe, right? Just right click that and click send to, and click desktop create shortcut. And this will create a shortcut on desktop like this. And you can also rename it as wallpaper engine. So when you just click this, wallpaper engine will open. Okay friends, so if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share, subscribe, press the bell icon and press all so that you get the instant notifications of my uploads. So if you have any doubts regarding this video, please comment down there. I'll try to reply as soon as possible. Okay friends, thank you for watching.